ladies. I will never diet again. I'm so glad you've come to join me today. Welcome to my kitchen. Like and subscribe, please. I'm feeling low this morning, not really sure why, but came back, I'm just extra hungry. So I have some black beans tacos that I made here. I sprinkled some cumin and paprika and salt and put some Valentina sauce on it. And I'm hoping this will just perk me up. Then I'm gonna have to make my veggies, our salad. All right, here is my green salad. It has arugula and mixed cabbages and stuff like that. I put a tablespoon of my mixed seeds. I'm at the end of the month, so sesame and sunflower. Actually have a little bit of chia seeds in there too. 3-2-1 dressing, and I'm gonna eat all of this because I had 4 tacos already. It's almost 2 o'clock. Well, besides a cup of tea, like green tea or cinnamon tea or an herbal tea, I'm trying to drink 2 quarts of water a day. My last meal for the day will be my cereal, which will include a half a cup of dry oats, a tablespoon of maple syrup. There's also a half a cup of mixed berries and a half of a banana, a teaspoon of cinnamon, hoping that the cinnamon will help to lower my cholesterol. This is another tablespoon for a total of 2 tablespoons for seed cycling. So this is sesame and sunflower seeds with a little bit of chia seeds. Now I'm going to add a dash of pepper. This has to do with the turmeric and how it activates the turmeric to get into your cells. But the turmeric gets added in after the cereal has been cooked. I'll add a half a teaspoon of turmeric when my cereal is done cooking. Turmeric is an anti-inflammatory, and it also stops viruses from entering cells. All right, here we go. Anybody know what the date is? It's
28th.
The 28th?
Of January?
January 28th, 2022. We'll have trouble, but I leave you my peace, that where I am, there you may also be. The weapon may be formed, but it won't prosper. When the darkness falls, it won't prevail. 'Cause God I serve knows only how to triumph, and my God will never fail. Oh, my God will never fail. I'm gonna see a victory. I'm gonna see a victory. For the battle belongs to you, Lord. I'm gonna see a victory. I'm gonna see a victory. For the battle belongs to you, Lord.
The others for the other side.
Gracias soy aquí. Nadie como tú. It's the end of the day. I'm out throwing the ball for the dog. I'm already in my PJs. I just wanted to add that I did have a cup of coffee today. It was filtered. And sorry about my yappy, the other dog's yappy. It had a tablespoon of maple syrup, so I'm limiting myself to 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. And I'm gonna try to be in bed sleeping before 11. 10 is ideal. Sometimes it happens at 9, but by 11, sometimes I don't get to sleep until midnight or afterwards. I can't make any sense of myself. It seems like when there's a full moon, I stay up later. I hope you've had a great day, that you've enjoyed
my starch solution day. I guess it wasn't perfect because I didn't eat 2 pounds of non-starchy veggies, which is Chef AJ style, and I do think I got enough veggies. What I ate is good. I mean, it's almost 9 o'clock. I don't think I'm going to be hungry during the night. I've actually never been hungry in the middle of the night. Take care, and until perhaps tomorrow.